Today, we will explore the impressive production process of the luxury car model Lexus RX 2024 at Toyota Japan's Kyushu factory. Get ready for an exciting journey where you will witness the perfect combination of advanced technology, high craftsmanship, and rigorous manufacturing processes to create a classy Lexus vehicle. Remember, subscribe to the channel. Click the subscribe button to receive notifications about our latest videos. Turn on notification bell. Turn on notification bell so you don't miss any interesting content. Share this video with friends and relatives to explore the exciting world of cars. And now, let's start our journey to explore the Kyushu factory. Lexus RX 2024 is manufactured at the Kyushu factory, located in Miyawaka, Fukuoka, Japan. This is one of Toyota's largest automobile factories, with an area of 1 million square meters and a production capacity of more than 500,000 vehicles per year. To achieve the highest performance and product quality, the Kyushu factory uses many advanced technologies such as welding robots, automatic painting, and production process management automation systems. In addition, 3D printing technology is also applied to produce plastic and metal vehicle parts. The 2024 Lexus RX is not only produced with the support of thousands of supplier factories worldwide, but is also committed to protecting the environment. The Kyushu factory implements many measures, such as energy saving, waste reduction, and material recycling, to reduce the environmental impact of the production process. When talking about the welding method on the Lexus RX, it is impossible not to mention the delicate combination of robotic technology and human ingenuity. This is especially true when it comes to welding in small and complex locations on the vehicle body. The Lexus RX, one of the company's most luxurious and advanced models, requires absolute precision as well as high durability in the manufacturing process. To ensure this, robotic technology is used to perform welding tasks automatically, providing precision and consistency in the manufacturing process. However, not all locations on the vehicle body are suitable for robot use. Areas that are small, complex, or require flexibility and sophistication often require human intervention. This could be adjusting the position of a part or monitoring the welding process to ensure each detail is completed accurately. In small places such as gaps between parts, small connection points, or decorative details, human flexibility becomes indispensable. Experienced and highly skilled welders are employed to carry out detailed work, ensuring each detail is installed and welded with the utmost precision and meticulousness. By combining the modernity of robotic technology and human sophistication, the welding process on the Lexus RX not only achieves precision and uniformity, but also brings exceptional meticulousness and care, down to the smallest detail on the car body. This not only improves product quality, but also increases the value and satisfaction of customers with each Lexus RX car they own. Once the Lexus RX's body is completely welded, it continues its journey to the paint booth, where modern technology and human ingenuity combine to create the perfect paint finish. At the Toyota factory's paint department, advances in technology have changed the way we view car painting. Robotic arms with their flexibility and precision have now become an indispensable part of the painting process. Computer programmed, the robotic arms adjust themselves to ensure that each part of the car's body receives the required amount of paint without any waste or omission. However, No matter how much technology advances, human technique and aesthetic eyes are still important factors that cannot be replaced. In locations where robotic arms cannot reach or work accurately, technicians still have an undeniable role in the painting process. They will control and adjust areas that machines cannot reach, ensuring that every detail on the car's body is painted perfectly. The painting process is not just about getting a job done, but about the delicate combination of the power of technology and human ingenuity. That's how the Lexus RX, with meticulous care from technicians and the support of robotic arms, gives customers a quality paint job and a perfect appearance. On the final assembly line, where every detail is combined to create the perfect Lexus RX, the combination of robotic technology and human craftsmanship becomes clearer and more important than ever before. When it comes time to assemble the dashboard, the important role of lifting and control tools cannot be denied. The robots are programmed to move the dashboard with high precision, ensuring correct and safe installation. However, the skills of technicians are still needed to check and adjust each detail, ensuring that the dashboard is assembled perfectly and accurately. Assembling the suspension system also requires a combination of technology and people. Robots are used to pick up and move suspension components with great precision, but technicians still need to be involved to inspect and ensure that every piece is installed properly and safely. The panoramic roof glass, one of the outstanding features of the Lexus RX, also requires a combination of technology and human skills. Robots are used to install the roof glass with precision and uniformity, but the technician must check and ensure that the roof glass is installed securely and that there are no issues with privacy or integrity. Power. At every step on the final assembly line, the combination of technology and people not only creates a quality Lexus RX, but also demonstrates the care and pride the manufacturers take towards their customers. My product. That's how Lexus RX, with the support of technology and human craftsmanship, brings customers a superior and classy driving experience. Before leaving the factory, each Lexus or Toyota model undergoes a series of rigorous quality checks to ensure that they meet the highest standards and are completely safe for users. Here are some common checks that every vehicle must undergo. General technical inspection. General inspection of basic vehicle components such as engine, transmission system, brake system, steering system, air conditioning system, and electrical system. Cruise test. Tests vehicle quality and performance under common road conditions, including cruise testing on highways, city streets, and in varied traffic conditions. Safety check. Includes checking the function of the brake system, including ABS brakes, steering system, airbags, anti-theft system, collision warning system, reverse sensor, and other features. Other safety. Environmental testing. Check fuel consumption, emissions, and compliance with local and international environmental standards. Interior and aesthetic inspection. Check the quality and finish of the interior, including convenient features such as entertainment systems, air conditioning systems, and other features. Electronics check. Check the vehicle's electrical and electronic systems, including the GPS navigation system, sound system, information and entertainment system, lighting system, and other electronic features. Check warranty level. Ensure that all necessary warranties have been fulfilled and warranty documents are provided to the customer. All of these checks are performed to ensure that each Lexus or Toyota vehicle meets the highest quality standards and provides the best driving experience for the customer. Lexus RX 2024 is a symbol of luxury and class in the luxury SUV segment. The exterior design of this model is not only sophisticated but also very powerful, with a bold trapezoidal grille and sharp LED headlights. In particular, the soft body curves create a unique and attractive beauty for the Lexus RX 2024. The interior of this car model not only brings a luxurious space, but also brings a feeling of comfort and convenience to the driver and passenger. High-quality leather seats, combined with real wood and sophisticated metal details, create a classy and cozy interior space. The performance of the Lexus RX 2024 is not only powerful but also very fuel efficient, meeting all driving needs. The safety of this car model is also highly appreciated, with advanced features such as collision warning system, automatic emergency braking, and lane keeping assist. This helps the driver feel secure and assured when driving on all roads. Equipped with modern technologies such as a head-up information display, HUD, 360-degree camera system, and wireless phone charging, the Lexus RX 2024 is not only a luxury car, but also a reliable companion on every journey. Although the price is somewhat high, and some equipment is only available on the high-end version, with what the Lexus RX 2024 brings, this car model deserves to be the top choice for those who love luxury and convenience. Comfort in a luxury SUV.